Nearly 4 million doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are on their way to sites around the country.
Yeah, here we go now. The third coronavirus vaccine to receive an emergency use authorization from the FDA. It is the first that requires only one shot. Now, while the efficacy rate to prevent getting sick from COVID-19 is not necessarily as high as the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines, trial data shows it is 100% effective at preventing hospitalizations and COVID deaths.
Kelly Grossfield talked with local health leaders about the impact the new vaccine could have in our region.
Sarah, officials with the Virginia Department of Health sent out a release earlier this week immediately following the approval, stating they'll be receiving 69,000 doses this week. In a press conference last week, Tennessee Commissioner of Health Dr. Lisa Piercy said they expect as much as 40,000 doses to arrive, with more doses of yet another vaccine. They hope this will help expedite the vaccination process.
It will help us to run through the phases faster as we get through 1B and then turn into 1C, other essential function groups, and then ultimately to phase 2, when anyone in the community who wants a vaccine will be able to find one and to get one.
Dr. Karen Shelton with the Mount Rogers Health District says right now they're still figuring out just how many doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine will be coming to Southwest Virginia. She says those eligible could get the single-dose shot as early as next week.
It seems like last week the floodgates just opened as far as availability of vaccine, and so we're very thrilled to have active planning going on as to how each of those vaccines will be available at various different places within our communities.
We reached out to Ballin Health and the Sullivan County Health Department, who told us they're still awaiting guidance from the state regarding how many doses they will receive and when. Smaller pharmacies that are currently vaccinating the public aren't sure if they'll be getting the single-dose shot. This statement sent to us from Westtown Pharmacy and Princeton Drug reads, as of right now, we're not set up to get the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine. And moving forward, we're not sure if we will. Currently, our pharmacies are only distributing the Moderna vaccine. Residents like Becky Alsop, who already received her first dose, says she wishes Johnson & Johnson was available at the time of her vaccination.
When I was a young child, we did the polio vaccine. I've done pneumonia vaccine and shingles vaccine. I'll be 67 this year. And all of those vaccines have been such a boon to our lives. I think that we have some pretty smart scientists, and I think it's going to be fine.
Dr. Shelton says this third vaccine is good news in the battle against the virus.
Ultimately, we know that COVID-19 can be a mild disease, but what we really want to prevent is that severe disease, hospitalization, and death. And all three vaccines are very effective against that, which is our ultimate goal.
We reached out to the Northeast Regional Health Office here in Northeast Tennessee regarding how many doses they expect to receive of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and when they would arrive. At this time, we have not received any comment back on the matter.